This is how I made these adorable bunny cupcakes. I'm using these large cupcake dummies. You can get them in my shop, glencandyboutique.etsy.com. I'm just painting them with acrylic paint. The color I'm using is called Key West by Apple Barrel. Next, I'm just using a chunky iridescent glitter. I painted another cupcake dummy yellow, and then I'm just using a yellow chunky glitter. This is a glitter I've mixed on my own with just a yellow fine glitter from Hobby Lobby and the clear chunky mix. Next, I'm taking some lightweight spackle that I've mixed with some acrylic paint. My favorite pink is called RoseMarie. It's by Craftsmart. And I'm spreading that on the top of the cupcake because when I go to frost it, if you don't do that, it is not going to stick to the styrofoam. So now I'm just taking a 1M and I'm just going all the way around the cupcake, and I will do 3 layers. I got this little rabbit pick from Hobby Lobby. I removed the bow and the stick from it. I've just added a toothpick and I'm placing that into the cupcake. These sprinkles are my birthday cake mix from my shop, glamcandyboutique.etsy.com. They're one of my favorite mixes. They're very versatile for multiple holidays. And I'm just using that to decorate her dress, which is now I'm just using some fine pink glitter that I got at Michael's. It's by Recollections. Now I'm doing the same thing over on the yellow cupcake, but this time I've colored my spackle with a color called Lilac. That's also by Craftsmart. And then I'm doing the 3 ruffles of frosting just like I did on the pink cupcake. And then I'm going to add the same sprinkles and of course the little rabbit head. Now I'm just using some light purple fine glitter that I got at Hobby Lobby. The noses that came on the pics are okay. I'm not crazy about them though, so I'm going to sculpt those in air dry clay, and I'm also going to sculpt some paws and feet in air dry clay as well. And then I will be attaching the paws, feet, and noses with some Gorilla Glue. To create the paw, I'm just making a ball and I'm slightly flattening it on the bottom, and then I'm just cutting into little fingers. Now I'm just using some hot glue to add on a matching bow. To make the feet, I am just making a foot shape where the heel is a little bit smaller than where the toes will go, and then I'm cutting in 2 toes with the toothpick. Now I'm just attaching those with some Gorilla Glue. Now, just as an FYI, I did attempt to make toe beans and they came out fine, but it just didn't look right to me. So unfortunately, there are no toe beans on these little paws. Now, the rabbits themselves are very sparkly, so I just wanted to add a little bit of Mod Podge and some fine glitter to their paws and feet so that the paws and feet would be sparkly as well. And I also added some sparkle to their noses as well. So these are the completed cupcakes. You could use these just as decor on their own, or you could add them to a project like I've done here on this book stack, or you can make them into cupcake tree picks where you're adding them to a wreath or in an Easter tree, or you could make them into an ornament to hang in an Easter tree. It's completely up to you and your imagination. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe if you like more cute crafts like this one.